are you all keeping? Thanks for tuning in to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so as you get notified when I do my uploadings. Without any further ado, let's get into this look. The first makeup hack today will be applying some tapes on the sides of the eyes so as it helps in applying the eyeshadow together with the eyeliner. So I'm going in and put them that way. Another makeup hack is to use water by spraying on the brush that you're going to apply the eyeshadow with, and then you go into the palette and get the shade that you want so as it gets pigmented, like the color goes to be deeper than it looks on the palette. In this video, you will notice that on my eyelashes I have some glue just because I had applied direct glue on that area so it didn't move. So I'm going to show you the hack later on how to remove that. So to remove the glue that you had seen earlier, I'm going in with mascara. As you see, it is now gone. Yeah, so that helps to remove anything like whitish substance on your lashes before applying your fake lashes. So that's it. After removing the tape, I'm going ahead with my foundation. Another makeup hack is to apply a lighter concealer in the deep ends of your eyes, inside, and then you apply the shade that goes along with foundation on the sides after you have applied the lighter concealer. Do not go in all over the concealer areas with the beauty blender. First go to the lighter shade, and then after you can go outwards to the shade that looks like your foundation. In makeup, you use anything that you have at that time. So another hack is to use a maroon lipstick or burgundy lipstick. You apply it as your blush, just as you do with the liquid concealer. You go in with the beauty blender. It will give you that reddish look or maroon, whatever, yeah, as a blush. I hack, and I guess other makeup artists are using the finishing powder to remove the setting powder. I believe it stays nice, so I usually do that. My lipstick, sometimes it becomes too light and I don't like it, so I go with nude lipstick over it just to remove the brightness of the lipstick that I've put on, and later on I put the gloss. Yeah, it becomes nice. I'm using the big brush to go over my face, and then after that I'll use the same brush. I'll go in with my highlighter and then go over my face parts that needs to be highlighted. In this you can use that because it helps you not to be too much highlighted. Just a little bit highlight is enough, especially for day looks. And that's it for the makeup hacks today. I went ahead and put my wig on. Yep, thanks for viewing. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell to turn on notification so as you get alerted as I post. Thank you for viewing. Until next time.